Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another Sweet'n Small Cupcake Edition. I'm glad you decided to join us in your first steps towards becoming a cupcake expert. Before taking this class, there's a few things you probably already know about cupcakes. First, they make a delicious dessert for just about any occasion. Also, if you go to your local pastry shop, buying cupcakes can be pretty expensive, especially if you're on a tight budget. There's a common misconception that making cupcakes at home is a dreadful, if not impossible, task that requires years of baking experience. I mean, look at all those intricate designs in the icing. That's gotta be pretty hard to do, right? Wrong. Making cupcakes is enormously fun and easy to do, especially if you got the right techniques. Yes, even if you have never baked before. In this course, we're gonna show you how to make a variety of stunning cupcakes faster than you can eat them. Okay, maybe not that fast, but you get the idea. We start right from the basics. That includes gathering all the materials and tools you will need to get started. And don't worry, we show you some really neat tricks to help you save money and start baking without breaking the bank. In this course, we'll teach you how to make some of the most unique cupcake varieties out there. We're going to make vanilla cupcakes with vanilla buttercream, avocado chocolate cupcakes with avocado chocolate buttercream. This cupcake is vegan, which is an added bonus, and lemon blossom cupcakes. After we're finished baking, we'll show you how to apply icing like a seasoned pro using many unique designs. These include swirls, blossoms, and roses. This course is perfect for beginners and experienced bakers alike. Even if you're a baking enthusiast looking to start your own cupcake business, this will be an essential first step. More importantly, we're always here to help you once you've enrolled. Have questions? No problem. Contact our support team and we'll be happy to help you and guide you through any cupcake excursion you embark upon. So what are you waiting for? Register now and join us in this exciting and tasty journey.